Hi guys, welcome to Safi Mix. In this video, I will let you know about the names of important buttons and classes on the main screen of Microsoft Excel app. So let's begin with, this is the main screen of Microsoft Excel app. There are important parts and buttons on this main screens, and I would let you know about the names and their functionality. And I begin from the vertical scroll bar. The vertical scroll bar is used to move up and down the page, and then there is the horizontal scroll bar. With the help of this scroll bar, you can move the page left and right. And then this is called the zoom control, which you can zoom in and zoom out the page. Then these three buttons are called page view buttons. Each of them gives a different view to the page. Then this one is the button that adds new sheets, so we call them new sheet button. This is called sheet tabs, and clicking on different sheet tabs you can move from one sheet into another one, and this is called status bar. Then these are the rows numbers which specify different rows, and these are called column letters which specify different columns. This shows the active cell, that is the highlighted cell is active. This is called name box and represent the position of a cell which specify the name of the row and column in which the cell is active. This is called formula bar. Here you write the formula, if any, for writing some program. This is called a ribbon, which contains relevant function and buttons to a given tab. And this small button on the rightmost position is called collapse ribbon button, which collapses the ribbon. Then this is the quick access toolbars, and you can modify this according to your own requirement. You can add and remove buttons to access them quickly. This is called tab list and contains different tabs. And this is called title bar. This is a ribbon display button which displays the ribbon. Then we have three other buttons. This is minimizing button, this is maximizing button, and this is the closing button. If you click on this button, the program will be closed. So these are the important buttons and parts of the main screen of Microsoft Excel tabs. Thanks for watching.